Hannah, are you going out of the house now? Well, you got your purse. You got your bra. Though it's not on. Oh, you're checking your lookout. Oh, you remembered you forgot shoes. Are you going to bring a book? Hannah. Hannah, what shoes are you going to wear with your Missoni? Oops. It's very hard to climb that way. Yes. Okay. All right. Hannah. See, where are you going? You're walking too fast for Mama. So funny. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.